Boom! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Divine Ekas Estate here at Ugwogo Nike, and like you can see, work is ongoing here at this estate. The perimeter fencing is 80% done. 80% done. You can see the electric poles. This property is at Ugwogo Nike, very close to the Peace University, about drive to the Ugwogo roundabout, and just around 15 minutes drive to the Nike Lake Resort. So like you can see, the roads are well paved and graded properly. You see the electric poles around here, and we are here today to bring you the updates of what's happening right here in this estate. Plots here are going currently for just 3.5 million naira, and you can see it's a very fast developing place. The perimeter fencing, like you can see, is almost 80% done. The beaconing are all on ground, and this is a very good place for your land banking needs. And of course, in the nearest future, you intend to build an apartment. This is a good place to do that. Very close to the Peace University, that's Sam Mbakwe University. It is off Enugu-Nsukka Expressway. So you want to call me today on 0809-6737-668 so we can book an inspection right here at Divine Ekas Estate. So call us today, so we'll book you an inspection. Enjoy a great day.